right here, right now, we are being broadcast live from battlecam.com. On the count of three, I want y'all to scream battlecam. 1, 2, 3. Battlecam! 1, 2, 3. Battlecam! 1, 2, 3. Battlecam! Now I'm gonna bring up my homie type. We got a little song we wrote about the hard part of life.
Sometimes it gets tough in the street, folks.
Shit's real. Y'all ever have to throw a motherfucking donut at somebody because they're talking shit?